everyone, it's Sarah at Repeat Crafter Me, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy gingerbread house ornament. It's only 3 crocheted rounds. Then we add a row of the white at the top for the icing, chains for the hanging loop, and then of course some festive Christmas buttons. Grab your Red Heart Super Saver yarn. This is color Café, Latte, and white. These are the mini skeins that come in the Red Heart Super Saver craft kit. Get some of these festive Christmas buttons. I have a variety here that I've collected over the years, but you can shop similar ones on Amazon or in your local craft store. And don't forget your size H crochet hook, and let's get started. Starting with the brown yarn, we're going to make a magic ring. We're going to chain 2 and make 8 double crochets in the ring. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to join to that first double crochet and chain 2. Now for round 2, we're going to start by making 3 double crochets, a chain 2, and another double crochet all in the first stitch. And this becomes the first bottom corner of the house. Now in the next stitch, we're going to make 2 double crochets, and then in the stitch after that, we're going to again make those 3 double crochets, the chain 2, and another double crochet. You've now made the 2 bottom corners of the house. Let's continue on. We're going to be making 2 double crochets in the next 4 stitches. So 2 double crochets in each of the next 4 stitches. And then one more. Just 2 double crochets. Then in the last stitch, we are going to be making 4 double crochets all in one stitch to finish round 2. Okay, and then we are going to join and chain 1. For round 3, we're going to go ahead and make a single crochet in the first 3 stitches. Then in that chain 2 corner space, you're going to make 3 single crochets. Now working along the bottom, we're going to make a single crochet in each of these 6 stitches across the bottom. Now we're at that next corner chain space, make 3 single crochets, and then make a single crochet in just the next 3 stitches. Now pause for a second. We're going to chain 2, just right on top of that single crochet, chain 2, and this will now allow us to make a triple crochet in that next stitch and a double crochet. So a triple crochet and a double crochet all in that next stitch. Now let's go ahead and make 2 half double crochets in the next 3 stitches. Okay, this brings us up to the top of the house. So in that next stitch, make 2 double crochets, make a chain 2, and then 2 double crochets in that next stitch. And this gives us that nice little peak at the top of the house of the roof. All right, now 2 half double crochets in those next 3 stitches. We're making the other side of our roof line. 2 half double crochets, the next 3, that leaves us one more. make a double crochet and a triple crochet all in that last stitch. And then chain 2 and then join to that first single crochet. And this gives us such a nice little roof on the top of our gingerbread house. Now on the bottom right edge of the roof, you are going to join in your white yarn right in that first stitch. That should have been your triple crochet. Just chain 1 and you're going to make 3 single crochets all in one stitch. And now we're just going to simply single crochet up along the side of that roof line until you get to the very top where you have that chain 2 space. Okay, so here we are, chain 2 space, and you're going to make 3 single crochets all in that chain 2 space at the top. Now work your way down the next side of the roof line, just making those single crochet stitches in white until we get to that last stitch. And just like you did before, you are going to be making 3 single crochets all in that last stitch. And there you have the icing of your gingerbread house roof. Now let's make the loop so this can become a hanging ornament. With the brown yarn, or you could use white, join at the very middle top of those 3 single crochet stitches. You are going to chain 12 and then go ahead and slip stitch to join right back to that same stitch you started in. And there you have it, your cute little hanging loop. Weave in your ends and add all of the festive buttons you'd like, holly berries, bells, candy canes. Look how cute and adorable this turned out. You can customize it as you wish, and it's ready to hang on your craft room tree.